Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean the filters on your TCL air conditioner in order to improve the cooling performance and the airflow. So first of all, before start cleaning, you just have to first of all switch off the air conditioner and also disconnect it from the power. Then you just have to open the front cover of the indoor unit until it locks in one position. Now you need to grip the tabs on the air filters and you need to lift them slightly just like so and then pull them downwards in order to basically remove them. After doing so, you just have to simply use a vacuum cleaner in order to remove the dust. If the filters are very dirty, you can also wash them with the help of the lukewarm water and a mild detergent. Avoid using the hot water, bleach and harsh chemicals as they can damage the filter material. Now, after doing this, you just have to allow the filters to air dry completely in the shade. Do not use a hair dryer or place them in the direct sunlight. So once these are dry, you just have to slide the filters back into the original position and you just have to simply close the front panel securely. So that's how basically you can clean the filters. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.